Hello traders, welcome to Eagle IFX, your #1 online channel for your price action trading. So in this video, we'll go through Cadjpy, EURNZD, and EURGBP. So remember guys to show some support by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and also hitting on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. All right. So Cadjpy, what I've noticed is that I've already marked my zones. And you can see that this is the highest I've seen on Cadjpy, and this is the lowest from the weekly. Then there was this level here that was really acting as resistance, okay? Because I see some several resistance here and here, several touches, all right? See like 4 touches here. Then now the market was able to break, then went all the way up and then came down again to find support and form something like a double bottom. Okay, so now from the weekly time frame, that's the reason why I've marked that zone over here, all right? Because it's an area of interest to me, because the market tends, so this place that was acting as a resistance, now we see that now is acting as a support. And also I see this supporting a trend line all the way here, because you see that when the market was here, it was pushed up here, so it was pushed up, came again, got pushed up, and then came here. There was a double confirmation of this horizontal and this diagonal supporting a trend line, right? So and then also when you go to the daily time frame, what you notice is also that I've also marked on the daily time frame, is because you see that, okay, so there was a touch here, there was another touch here, and the market was able to break, all right, and then there was a support here, okay, then the market was able to break, and then there was a resistance here, then resistance here, and then now the market is actually in this level right now, okay. So that level become a level of interest to me, because I see the level that was was resistant, it acted as a resistance before, broken, acted as a support, and broken again, then now is acting as a what? As a resistance. And then also this level also, you see that there was a support here, the support here with some fake out here, then also fake out here, and then this also broke and came all the way to this level over here. Then this one also broke and came to this level over here. So this is a place whereby the market can easily reverse, or you can even push further down. Maybe I can mark this, okay, because it breaks, it can either reverse here or reverse on the zone, and you can see here it reversed here and here, then here all the way to the zone, but it closed on top of the trend line. So now from the daily time frame, you can see that we are here already. So I see like the market has come, then it's like it's trying to find maybe to do a retest before it goes down. So that's one possibility. Another possibility is that this market will easily break, then find support, then continue going up. So when I go to the 4-hour time frame, what do I notice? You see that it's the same thing here. So the market came all the way from down there, came all the way to here, then we see a push the down, then we don't know if this is a retest, for it to finish an M formation, all right, or another possibility is that this market will easily break, find a support, then continue doing what? Continue buying, all right. So as long as I'm below this level here, maybe I can also mark here, but let me make that into black so I can be able to see, because I see that no matter how this market pushed, it has not been able to cross this part over here. So as long as I'm below this zone here, then I'll look for what? I'll look for selling opportunities. So you can look for selling opportunities, just put your stop loss somewhere around there, and then maybe you can even target just that level over there, and then you can see that that is a 1:3. Definitely you can take some profits all along. And when it gets here and you see that the market has broken, then you see that in the long run you can be able to catch this move, which is almost 7 times your risk, okay. So what can invalidate this setup is if this market comes and breaks, then find support, then continue going up. That is when now this setup is considered what? Considered invalid. But as long as I'm concerned right now, see that I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for selling opportunities, and then maybe up to this level over here. Definitely in between, you can take some profit somewhere around here. Maybe one time into floating profit, you can take some profit there. Then also you can take some profits over here and watch. If the market reverses, then your stop loss is at break even, so you'll be in profit. But if it breaks and continue going down, then you can be able to hold this, and then you can see that you can be able to catch 7 times your risk. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on Cadjpy. Let's go to the next pair, which is EURNZD. So EURNZD, let me go to the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, you can see that there was EURNZD formed something like, you know, like a bearish flag. All right, so I see, you know, this looks like a flag, perhaps consolidating and then continue to break to the downside, you know. So you see that I drew this level over here because I noticed that every time the market gets here, it gets to be pushed down, then also here the market tends to reverse. But also what I noticed is that this market was able to break, then you can see now is doing some sort of like a what? Like a retest. So let's go to the daily time frame, then you see it clearly. So you see that this is a level that was acting as a support. Then you see that the market came, went back. I think maybe it was trying to deceive people that is going back to this this bullish movement here. You can see that now the market is pushing to the what? To the downside, and then you see a very strong bearish, you know, movement or engulfing. Then you see that it's back on the zone. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Then you can see that even on the 4-hour time frame, I've also added this level over here because the market was playing over here. Then also you can see that the market has broken and done some retest. So I am interested in this level. I'm also interested in what? I'm also interested in sales. So I'll do my sales there, put my stop loss just above there, and then also you can just target this level over here, that is 2 times, and definitely you can take some profits, you know, along the way. Always remember to pay yourself, you know, because remember the market does not owe you anything, so pay yourself along the way. So there's some profits you can take over there. So these are all places where the market can tend to reverse, and generally you can catch these 2. All right, or maybe you can zoom further down. Okay, if you zoom further down, you can see that from the 1-hour time frame, you can see that if I draw this one over here, sorry, let's clone this. You can see that there was something like a movement here. Okay, then we already see it looks like also some bearish flag. Okay, so you can see that it's already broken, so maybe it might do some retest here before it continues going down. But generally on EURNZD, I'm also looking for what? I'm also looking for sales. All right, let's go to our last pair, which is EURGBP. So on EURGBP, all right, so I was actually observing EURGBP, and if I go to the weekly time frame maybe quickly, you can see that EURGBP went up and came down, then it's like trying to go up again. So let me go to the daily time frame. Then on the daily time frame, you notice something over here. So let me first of all remove this so it can be clear. So this has been the highest zone I've seen so far. Then this has also acted as a zone, and then this is also a zone because you see a support here and some support here. Then the market is there, and then the reason why I drew this trend line is because I saw every time the market touches this level, it tends to what? It tends to push up. Okay, so that's the reason why I drew that. So you can see that this market has also gone and will come back down this way. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, you know, this market was coming down. The market came down, then came down, then it's like trying to find a retest, either for it to push up, or it will come down all the way to this level here before it goes down, or it can further come to this zone here before it goes up. So all those are possibilities that you must cater for. Those are all possibilities that might happen on EURGBP. Okay, yes. So what I did also, another thing I did is that I came here and I also drew another trend line this way, because I saw a touch here and I saw some touches here. Then you can see now this, this is a double confirmation, because there's this zone here acting as support, and there's also this trend line here also acting as support. So you can see that I am also looking for, if this market is not able to break this level over here, go back to the 4-hour time frame. If this market is not able to break this level over here, then I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Perhaps put my stop loss somewhere around here, then maybe target, can target even this. You can either target this level over here, some 2.6, or you can target up, long run, which is 5 times. But what am I going to do? I'm going to practice patience a bit and see if this market is gonna break this and maybe come to find support here, or maybe to find support over here. So I'll still observe it. So you can see that if you entered here, it could easily be stopped out. That's why I was observing it since morning, because I was waiting for a retest, acting as a double confirmation, because it can easily do like this. See, like here, it came down, then went. So for the people who entered here, came here, then came to this trend line to find support, before now we see the general move all the way up here. So I'm waiting to see a retest. Already I have some confirmation. And what are my confirmations? My confirmation number one is that I'm on this zone here, which has acted as a support before. I'm also on this trend line here, which has also acted as a support. You see, support to the upside, support to the upside. So those are my two confirmations already. So I'm waiting to see, a bullish candlestick, something that give me a confirmation that it is time for me to buy, before I can now enter my buys on EURGBP. So guys, that is what we have for you today. Those are the 3 pairs you are observing. Those are the 3 pairs that we are planning maybe to trade or something of the sort. So guys, remember to like this video and to subscribe to this channel. Remember to share this content. Remember the moment you like a video, what normally happens is that YouTube gets to recommend it to more people, and by that we're able to empower more people. So thank you guys for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.